Pigs can get the flu, just like people do. There's nothing unusual about that. Viruses can multiply and mutate very quickly in swine, and that can become a problem for humans. Birds can also carry dangerous influenza viruses. 3 years ago, there was a worldwide scare about an outbreak of bird flu that had crossed the species barrier and infected humans. But the situation now is somewhat different. The 2009 H1N1 virus contains genetic material from viruses that affect swine, birds, and humans. It can already be transmitted between animals and humans, but now humans can also give it to each other. The virus is spread through small droplets of moisture exhaled when people cough or sneeze. Experts say face masks don't provide much protection. Regardless of the variety, all flu symptoms are similar: coughing, sniffles, fever, and body aches. That goes for the 2009 H1N1 virus too. Once the virus is in the body, it acts aggressively. First, it transfers its genetic material into a host cell. There, it causes the cellular machinery to make many copies of the virus, which are then released into the body to infect more cells. Vaccinations administered in advance can help protect against flu. Vaccines are developed by first cultivating a manipulated version of the virus in hens' eggs. The prospective vaccine contains genetic material from current influenza pathogens, but is harmless. Animal tests are then carried out to check if the vaccine stimulates the correct immune response. The new vaccine must also be tested to ensure that it's safe in humans. And finally, in order to make large quantities of vaccine to protect people around the world, drug companies would need millions of chicken eggs each year. Scientists say this conventional method is too time-consuming. Another recently developed method involves growing the viruses needed for the vaccine in cell cultures rather than in eggs. This has the advantage of being quicker and safer. But if a person already has the virus, then medications are needed to limit the damage it causes in the body. One current flu pharmaceutical is oseltamivir, marketed as Tamiflu, which prevents the virus from multiplying around the body. The pathogens are penned up in the first infected cells, but Tamiflu is most effective when it has been administered within 48 hours of infection. Scientists hope that in future they will even have drugs that attack viruses directly. Research is already underway. Vaccines against the 2009 H1N1 flu are expected to become available before long, but development is a painstaking process. Industry analysts say it could take at least 6 months.